Hey everybody, on this episode of Dave's Garage, I'm going to rebuild this old school BMX bike. It's a 1986 SPX300. It was originally sold at Sears hardware, which is ironic because I just read an article today that Sears is closing their last store in Illinois. So in honor of Sears, we're going to rebuild this bike, make it look new again. So I collected some new parts for the bike. First thing it needs some new tires. These are Goodyear tires. I thought that was fitting because Sears used to sell Goodyear tires. So this sucker's getting a pair of Goodyears on it. I got some new tubes, some new brake cables. I'm just gonna replace these because they're pretty old, so make them look new. I got some different pegs I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna shine these mag wheels up. They got some black ring around them for the brakes. So I'm gonna put some new white brakes on it, some new, or brake pads, some new white brake levers, a new white chain, and this thing's gonna be all white when it's done, so check it out. All right, everybody, so I got the finished product here. Now you may be wondering why I'm dressed in different clothes. That's because this is months later than when I started this build. So this bike took a long time to clean up and put back together. It took me like days just to get the black rings off around the rims and whatnot. Anyways, it looks really good. I'm gonna give you a couple close-ups. This bike is actually gonna be a gift. The gentleman that owned this bike was throwing it away in a dumpster because it looked terrible. So I've redone it, made it look nice. I'm gonna give it back to him tomorrow, see what he thinks.
My God. Looks nice, man. Brought her back to her glory days.
I wanted to fix the old gal up and bring her back to you, so.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.